Slide into your mind so silky. Up under the down we fly. Clean it up just to make...
Hi guys, welcome back to another one of my videos. Today I'm going to be showing you guys all the fragrance-free skincare products and makeup that I use and do this little light everyday makeup look. I hope you enjoy it and thank you so much for watching. This is what my face looks like with no makeup on. Yeah, you can see I have some redness and scarring over here and over here. Those are like all the broken blood vessels that I got from my rosacea. And right now I am getting V-beam to try and treat that. So it's actually worse because I got V-beam like 3 or 4 days ago. So you can see like it's a little bit worse than it usually is. But anyway, who cares? Let's get straight into this. So I wash my face with this Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser. Some people say that it isn't good for their rosacea, but for me I found that this really works and it doesn't flare me up. As you can see, I'm not really red right now and I just use it to cleanse my face. But when I'm wearing makeup, I can't only use this. I use this as my second cleanse. So as my first cleanse, I use the Clinique Take the Day Off Cleansing Oil. There's a cleansing balm as well, but that one actually does contain fragrance. So if you want to use this product, make sure to get the cleansing oil and not the balm. Now we're going to go into prepping your skin. Now, usually I go for moisturizer first. This one I found doesn't break me out at all or make me flush at all. Can it focus? Anyway, it's the Skin Recovery Cream by Avène. Not all Avène products are fragrance free, so make sure that you check out my tutorial about how you can check the ingredients for your skincare products. I'll link it up here. So yeah, let's go in. Usually I just put like a pea-sized amount on my fingers. And guys, remember to be very gentle with your skin. Don't really rub and tug. Remember to bring it down to your neck as well. Make sure to get your lips as well. Under the eyes. Remember to use your ring finger under the eyes so you're very gentle. Get it all over there. Also wash your hands before. And now I'm going to put on some sunscreen. Now I use the Cetaphil sunscreen. It doesn't contain any fragrance. And it doesn't contain, and it is a physical sunscreen. The only thing is it does have alcohol in it, so I'm looking for an alternative to this one in the Philippines specifically. Because I live in the Philippines, it's quite difficult to find sunscreens without fragrance, not to mention sunscreens without fragrance or alcohol. So yeah, I just use this sunscreen. I put on sunscreen every single day. Not only because of my rosacea, it really smells strongly of alcohol. Not only because of my rosacea, but also because I don't want to age really badly. You know? Like, most of our skin damage comes from the sun. Also be very gentle. Don't want to get it actually even near my eyes, but anyway. When you go out into the sun, always wear UV protectant sunglasses. So just pat that in. Again, guys, I know there are a lot of people, especially in the groups that I'm on Facebook on my rosacea chat, where they say, you know, that some of these products don't work well for them. So again, it's personal preference, so make sure that you check it out for yourself. As you can see, I just rub all that in. I'm just going to be looking down because this is my mirror is right here. So yeah, now what I usually do is if I'm just going for a light makeup look day, then I like to do my brows like always. But because I can't really find, okay, I could find a product that didn't have fragrance in it, but to be honest, I bought a lot of new makeup recently, so I didn't really want to spend all that money on a new brow product because all the Benefit ones contain fragrance. So what I'm doing is I'm just using this Nars Laguna bronzer to just, you know, fill in the brows a little bit. You'll see in this video that I'm gonna use a lot of the same products to do the same things, you know? Because to be honest, like, if I don't want to buy 1,000 different makeup products that cost me like a lot of money, if I could just use the same one. My eyebrows are pretty dark as well, so. And this is just like an everyday look, so who cares, you know? Not me. Okay, so see, I just like very lightly fill in the brows, nothing too crazy. So then I use the Estee Lauder Double Wear. Sorry, it's a bit dirty, like me. The lady at Estee Lauder actually told me that you should do section by section of your face because it dries down really quickly. So if you want to blend it, then I use that. So I use this MAC 190 foundation brush and then just go into the foundation and just like lightly tap, kind of like a, don't want to go too hard on the skin, just like light little taps. You know, we never want to move our skin around too much. Even when we're doing our makeup, we want to be very gentle, especially the eye area. Remember that when you rub your eyes or when you put on makeup or anything like that, you are removing elasticity from your skin if you're going to be too rough, and it is never going to come back because you can't get elasticity in your skin back. You can get Botox where you just take away the movement in your skin completely, where, to be honest, I thought I liked that look, but I don't really. That's something I've discovered. So yeah, I just lightly blend all of this in if you want to see a little closer. So if you're just going to streak like that, your makeup's going to look streaky, so you just want to kind of like pat it into the skin instead, you know? So you can see all the redness here, whereas this side looks way more even. So we're gonna go in on the other side. Like I also said in my other videos, fragrance-free makeup is hard to come by, especially because it's not labeled very well either. So, for instance, this Estee Lauder doesn't say it's fragrance-free. So you wouldn't know unless you checked out the ingredients. Also bring it down to the neck, guys. You want to be gentle with your neck as well. Over here, I don't care so much about streaking because, yeah, the blending, it kind of blends out easier on the neck for some reason. Don't ask me why, because I don't know. So just pat, pat, pat. I don't know, guys. I'm not a makeup artist. I'm just trying to show you what I do to get a light makeup look. Get the ears as well. You don't want your ears to be a different color from the rest of your face. So I've also found a fragrance-free concealer. Not all Nars products are fragrance-free, but a lot of them are, so you just have to kind of check. So I found this Nars Radiant Creamy Glow. I know that a lot of people like this as well. And so I'll put it on my hand. I almost put it on my face, but I don't like putting it on my face. I'll put it on my hand and then I'll just kind of dot in the areas where I think I need it most. And then I take a little brush again and I just do the same patting motion as I did with the larger brush. And then I'll even take the foundation brush again and just go over that one more time to make sure it's nice and covered. as you can see. And then on this side, the same thing. Now we're gonna go for a bit of powder. The powder I'm using is the, again, Estee Lauder loose powder, perfecting loose powder. It's really difficult, guys, for me as well to find like vegan, sustainable, fragrance-free makeup. I mean, why in this day and age do people not focus on making that? Like, I need that. So I just put it in here and then I kind of tap off the excess. Don't want too much, you know, you still want to keep that glow. And then I just lightly pack it on. Just very lightly. If you swirl it like this, you're just gonna move all your makeup. So always like light, just to set that makeup. You can hear me, I'm just like tapping that brush to tap off the excess. You're basically hitting yourself with a brush. Just hitting yourself. So yeah, just keep on hitting yourself with that brush. All right, and that is about it for the powder, setting powder. Now I'm gonna go in with the Laguna again, and I will use this e.l.f. highlighter brush. And just again, just a little bit. Remember that you can always take away, but you can never, you can always put more on, but you can't take away. So always start with a very light bit. So you just want to, actually people contour very far into their face, but you just want to kind of get the little bit here, you know? Just a little bit. Ooh, my hair is not playing with me. Get a little bit here under the chin. Here on the face. Okay, hair, we see you. We know you're there. I want to blend that out too, because you don't want to be that girl with a crazy strong contour. But I love a little contour during the day. I mean, who doesn't, right? We all want a little bit of in our lives. All right, so on the other side, we're just doing the same thing. Guess what? We're going back into Nars Laguna. And then we're just gonna kind of basically contour as well the eye. Because this is very light and natural, but you can see the difference between this eye and this eye. It just kind of lifts the eye a little bit, you know? Very gentle in your eyes. I used to be so rough with my eyes. And yeah, that's no good, guys. That's no good. Blend out that eyeshadow. And then on this side, we'll do the same. Now, I also like going in under the eye. Just a little bit under the eye. It kind of just makes it more almond shaped. Is that what I want to say? And then we're gonna put on a little tiny bit of blush. Now that's just because you don't want your face to be like one-dimensional. You want to give it a bit of a pop. But I would say chill on the blush if you've got rosacea, because you know we get kind of red anyway. But yeah, we are going to use, surprise, surprise, Nars Orgasm. So I just put a little bit on the brush, again tapping it off, and then just kind of on the apple of the cheek, and then I'll even blend it out with the highlighter brush. I know you shouldn't be doing this, but I like to be a little bronzy because I can't go out in the sun anymore, so we have to bronze up somehow. And then just to, you know, add that extra little bit, I'll put a little redness here just to even out the face. And a little bit on the nose because I don't use highlighter anymore. Just kind of giving your face, you know, some depth and color so you don't look like a dead ghost. Now I'm gonna put on the Nars Climax. I feel like Nars is very obsessed with like innuendos. But yeah, so now I'm going to put on mascara. That. And then I'm gonna put on something that's unfortunately not fragrance free. I'm still looking for fragrance free lip product, but it's basically just this like chubby stick lip thing from Revlon, I think. And then I put on this little gloss over it from Rimmel. Give you guys a little bit of a close-up. Please remember to like and subscribe if you like my videos, and if you want more rosacea and fitness content from me, next week will be another little fitness update for you guys. And guys, also remember that a lot of these products are my own research and things that I like and that work for my skin, but if they don't work for you, I'm so sorry. I just am trying to help. I definitely will link up here for you guys in the little I column where to find or how to search on the internet what your makeup products contain, and you can look for ingredients that irritate you personally. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and see you again next week.